This broadcast has been brought to you by the Mintcoin community. We are currently seeking a new developer to assist us in upgrading our desktop wallet, as well as bringing the Android wallet out of beta testing and into the public arms to use on a daily basis. This developer opening does come with a 10 million Mintcoins per month bounty paid by myself, Jessica Hartman, aka Crypto Mommy. Core responsibilities would be to assist in troubleshooting open tickets on GitHub, assist in community trouble tickets, monthly continual improvement updates, as well as collaborate with development team on wallet enhancements. If you are interested in applying for this position, please send your information to CryptoMommy, CryptoMommy, @gmail.com, or respond on the social networks. We are looking for a developer with experience and eagerness to attend our hangouts, community hangouts, and work with us in bringing Mintcoin to the next level. Thanks.